Hi grade 7s, welcome back to mathematics. We are going to do multiples and factors. This is just a disclaimer so that you know that the work that is in the video is for term 1 for grade 7s and it is for mathematics. Okay, so first off, multiples is the product of two natural numbers. Meaning, if I ask you the multiples of 3, then it means you count in that number. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and we can go on. So that is the multiples of 3. So that means basically it's your multiplication timetable of 3. So multiple means you count in the number given. We can ask you the lowest common multiple. That means if I give you two numbers, which number do they have in common that is the lowest? So for example, the multiples of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. If I ask you the multiples of 5, we count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. So which one is the common multiplication of 2 and 5? Yes, it is the ones that are underlined, the number 10, because it's the only one that they have in common and it's also the lowest number. Then we go on to the factor. Factor is a number that divides exactly into a whole number and leaves no remainder. So meaning the factor of 18, that is all the numbers that can be divided into 18 without a remainder. Meaning 1 goes into 18 18 times. 2 go into 18 9 times. 3 go into 18 6 times. That is why we write it 1 and at the end 18. 2 and then just before 18 9, and just before that we have 3 and 6. So that is all the factors for 18. So factors is all the numbers that can be divided into a number. We can also ask the highest common factor. So the highest common factor means what is the highest number that can go into two different numbers. For example, if I ask you what is the factors of 20, we would write it 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Because 1 times 20 is 20. 2 go into 20 10 times. 4 go into 20 5 times. So what is the factors then for 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. So what number do they have in common but is also the highest? Yes, it is the numbers that are underlined, the number 2. Because yes, it's even though it's a low number, it's still the highest number that they have in common with each other. Then we are going to do the factor tree. So here we use the prime numbers in the given number. Prime numbers is a number that can be divided by 1 and itself. Example, 2 is a prime number because 1 can go into 2 and 2 can go into 2. So that is why 2 is a prime number. So if we do the tree, we start with the highest number. Then we divide it with 2. And then you will see we get 50 because 2 times 50 gives us 100. So then we divide it again with 2. 2 times 25 gives us 50. 3 can't go into 25 and 3 is also a prime number. So the next prime number is 5. How many times can 5 go into 25? Yes, 5. And then again, how many times can 5 go into 5? Once. So that means the prime factors is 2, 2, 5, and 5. So that is why we write it 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. So now for our homework. Please draw a line underneath yesterday's work. You write today's date. You write the heading, multiples and factors. You skip a line and you do classwork. And that means it is exercise 1.5. That is all for today.